Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'll be talking about meme stocks and what I'm watching for tomorrow. And this is just going to be a trade plan for tomorrow, what I'm watching and what I'm looking to scale in on AMC. Keep in mind that please do not enter in a big position, and please manage your own risk, because keep in mind that AMC is a meme stock, and meme stock are, they're not real companies. You guys know that AMC is in debt, so please manage your risk. I will not be entering in any of these small accounts. Most likely going to be like a lotto, but definitely looking to play this ascending triangle on AMC. So we have AMC ascending triangle that I'm watching for tomorrow. I would set a alert around right over here, so you can actually set alerts on TradingView right over here, and you can send it to your app or email it, and even SMS code. So that's pretty sick on tradingview.com. I think you do need premium to get multiple alerts, but for AMC I'm looking at calls above 63. So calls, or let's just do long above 63, and then our price target is 72. So this is the price target for AMC, which is 72, and I'll be alerting calls right at this breakout level, and when we do breakout I'll be alerting. And then the next meme stock I'm looking at is actually Wish. So Wish is forming a inverse head and shoulder. We have this left shoulder, head, and then the right shoulder, and we have this breakout level. The price target could be around 22 for Wish, but personally I'm only looking to actually play AMC, because this AMC setup is just way too good. It just looks absolutely amazing. We have this amazing wick. And I'll be putting a high watch on the volume, because keep in mind that volume is the key for AMC. So watch the after hours pre-market, and again calls right at the breakout level. Another one we have is Corsair. Now the thing about Corsair is it's actually not a trash company. The fundamentals are really good, and this one personally I'm liking it for another long-term 3 years out leaps. And we have this downwards breakout, and we have this descending triangle, so the chart looks very nice on the weekly. So as you guys see on the weekly, Wall Street Bets loves this stock because this is an actual company, and with actual good fundamentals. And another thing about AMC is that AMC cannot sell shares anymore. So that was like the key fear, or which I was concerned about, getting in AMC. But AMC can actually not sell stocks or their own shares of the company. So that is out of the way. We have this breakout. We also have GME, so GameStop. We had the support on GameStop. Personally, I'm just watching GameStop, most likely going to be entering in very light position on AMC. Again, very light. Do not enter in if you have like under 5k on your account, and spreads are not bad on AMC, and please understand the risk. Take it as a lotto. Now, same with GameStop is we have this breakout, so I'm looking at long above 272, long above, which is the key level breakout, and then we have this double top right over here, so that is going to be the price target right over here. So our price target is 346 on GameStop. So I would make a horizontal line, plug it in right over here. So this looks very nice, ascending triangle breakout. I think it's better on the weekly, so it looks way better on the weekly. Now another stock that I'm looking at for tomorrow, it's actually not a meme stock, but it's actually Macy's, and I'm liking this ascending triangle on Macy's. We also have this down trend break. So if I actually look at the weekly, we have this downtrend breakup for Macy's, as well as we have the ascending triangle. So I'm looking to scale in some Macy's call, ticker symbol M, and these calls are very cheap, and I'm looking to probably enter them on the second small account challenge, but again, calls are pretty much cheap on Macy's. It is a cheap stock, but again, I like positions. I like the breakout. I'm liking the pattern on Macy's, so definitely an interesting one. So pretty simple video. Main thing I'm watching for tomorrow or this whole week is AMC, and please set a breakout so that you don't forget about it. You might need TradingView Premium for that. I might leave a description, a referral link in the description, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple video. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost, we're aiming for 2,000 subscribers by July, and 45% of you guys are not subscribed. If you guys want to see more live streams and more live trading, let me know in the comments and let me know in the Discord, and see you guys tomorrow on the stream.